Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Netflix on your Android device. To download your Netflix app on Android, first of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. Go ahead and bring up the search icon and type in Netflix in the search box. Once you find the Netflix application in the search result, tap on the install button to begin downloading Netflix on your Android device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, tap on the open button to launch open Netflix on your Android. So that is how you will be able to download and install Netflix on your Android phone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.